Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos from your mobile phone onto YouTube the right way to gain more views. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and let's get started. There are some things you need to have before you start to upload a video onto YouTube, and it's basically the video's thumbnail and the video file itself. So make sure you already have the thumbnail and the video saved on your mobile phone. After that, you should also make sure you have a note application already installed on your mobile phone, where you are going to type in the title for your video and also the description for your video you would be uploading onto YouTube. So after getting all that out of the way, the next thing you want to do is obviously open the YouTube mobile application, and after it has loaded completely, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom navigation bar, where we also have the home button, the short button, and the other buttons. So clicking on the plus button, you'll be taken to this dark page where you would be given the various or the different videos you have on your mobile phone currently. So you just select the one you want to upload onto YouTube. Here we can preview the video to make sure that is the correct video we've selected. And in the next page is where you're going to add the details for your videos. So the first thing you want to do is add the title and description. So what you want to do is move to the note application and copy the title and paste it into the title page or title space provided in the YouTube application. Then come back and copy the whole description and also add it to the description tab. YouTube also gives suggested hashtags which you can select based on your recent activity when uploading videos. And we'll move back. Then the next thing we want to focus on is the visibility of our video. We want to currently leave it on unlisted, because maybe after uploading the video there might be a mistake in your title or description and you have to change it. So I think we'll leave it on unlisted, so that even after the video has been uploaded to YouTube, people don't get to see it until you turn it to public. You can also add your video to a playlist. If you have a playlist which contains similar videos, you can add it. Then comments also, you want to make sure your comments are on or off. It depends on your preference, and the comment moderation if you want YouTube to strictly filter out bad comments. Then after all that, you want to add the thumbnail. So to add a thumbnail, just click on this image icon. Please open the Files Explorer on your Android phone. You want to select the thumbnail you created for the video. If the thumbnail is already in the ratio you can see to fit into the box, but if not, you have to pinch in or out to zoom to make sure the relevant parts fit. Then when you are done, you just click on the done button. Then the next thing you probably want to do now is move to audience and make sure your video is set on no, it's not made for kids, unless maybe your videos is made for kids, because YouTube really looks at that. Everything out of the way, just click on upload, and the upload process of your video would begin, which you can see by moving to the U section of the YouTube page. Then you want to click on your videos. So I'm clicking on your videos. You can see the video is currently uploading onto YouTube. We're going to wait for it to complete uploading, then we continue from there.
2,000 years later.
So after some time, our video has fully been uploaded onto YouTube, which you can see over here. And now the next thing we want to do is edit our video. And to edit our video, we will be using the YouTube Studio mobile application. So we'll just open the YouTube mobile application, and after it has been loaded, we would move to the content section. We can also see the current video we just uploaded onto our YouTube channel, and all we'll do is click on these three dots, and in the opened options we'll select edit. So in the edit page of this video page, we want to add the tags and set a category for our YouTube video, so that when people search our video gets discovered by them. So all I'm going to do is just copy some of the tags I added to my video's description in my note application and just come and paste it here. So I'm going to add a number of tags, and YouTube allows only up to 500 characters, but it's not advisable to chalk in all 500 characters of tags, because sometimes some of the tags you add are irrelevant, which would cause your video not to gain the views it needs to do. So I'm going to do that by adding some few tags to my YouTube video. Okay, so after I've added some tags to my YouTube video, what I want to do next is just add the final touches to my YouTube video, like editing the title, the thumbnail, and if I also want to add my video to a playlist, I'll do that. And after everything, the next thing you just want to do is click on the save button, and now your video has been saved onto YouTube. And note that we also changed our video from unlisted to public. So with all that out of the way, thanks for watching this video, and this is a simple guide